This channel is supported by my online fishing courses, and you can learn more and get significant discounts at saltstrong.com/Skinner. I'll have links to all of the gear in the video description, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Okay, a rare foggy morning in Southwest Florida. We don't get too much of this as compared to the Northeast. Yeah, I have a plan. We'll see. It's actually a weekend, so there's going to be more boat traffic, but the tides are really good, so I don't want to miss out on that. Plan is to catch redfish and trout, and then I brought some ice and a few crabs with me, and I want to see if I can get a couple of sheepshead for dinner. So I don't know, that's maybe way overly optimistic for a weekend day, but we'll see. You know what, maybe I'll run into nobody. I stay so shallow a lot of times it keeps the boats way down, so we'll see. Okay, I've arrived at the first spot, and it's really shallow. You see I've got the motor kicked up, and I'm paddling along, so it's like less than a foot of water. The redfish are very spooky in the shallows like this, so I've got to be really quiet. What's going to happen, just before I reset the camera here, I'm going to see a tail like as I'm resetting, and you're going to see that disturbance, and then I'm going to throw on it. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it! Oh yeah! This is what I'm here for. Holy crap! Holy crap! Damn! That is exactly what I was looking for. Foot of water, tail came out, threw it on him. Nice red. Oh man. Whoa. Be careful here, almost hung him on the rudder. That was exactly what I was looking to do. What was cool is I was so close when he did that. I was almost thinking I might have spooked him. I'm gonna let him drag me out off the grounds a little here. Oh, that was sweet. I know he's not done. He's have some power. All right. Okay. And thank you for dragging me away from the grounds. Let's get a look at you here. That is a nice start. That's a nice start. Yeah, but in general, I suck at the tailing reds, and that's what we're going to look at, right? It's going to show up in front of me. There's a tail sticking out of the water. Yeah, I know not to cast too close to him. I'm going to make that mistake right off. But in general, you know, I've only been dealing with tailing reds like 4 trips, but it's been recent. And yeah, there's that tail. Cast too close, and I spook him. But yeah, I've just been really having a hard time getting them to hit. And, you know, you saw the one I just caught. But boy, coming out here where, I mean, it's just like inches of water. There's a tail. I know enough to throw beyond him and work it in. And we'll see. Come on, go for that. That's going right in front of you. Okay, come on. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. All right, came close there, but yeah, I will take any advice regarding how to catch those tailing reds that doesn't involve the bait or a fly rod. Yeah, but all right, I'll keep going here. That's a big trout. Ooh. That is a big trout. Okay, tide is rising, so I finally have enough water to put the motor down. I need a foot of water and I can run that motor. And I'm running about 10% power, just slowly into the current. Okay, I'll take that. Something big coming at me. I mean, almost certainly a shark. I'll take a cast anyway. Yeah, it's a shark. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, that would have been fun if I hooked him, although he probably would have cut the leader, but hey, you never know, you could get lucky. But yeah, a cool sight. You know, I tend to throw at the mangroves most of the time because, well, you know, you've got an edge there, and a lot of times fish are running along there. But I should also make sure I keep the other side honest, because sometimes the fish are there. Sometimes the fish are hundreds of yards out from where I am, so you never know. Oh, nice trout. No, I said I was going to come out for a redfish, trout, and then sheepshead. So far, so good. Big trout, every one of them. Real subtle hit there. Well, really quality stuff. What? Yep. Every one. Not bad. I think I need to start maybe throwing away from the mangroves sometimes here. Oh, what? Oh, nice ones. Look at this. Okay. And that's, I'm going to go sheepshead fishing. Yep. Okay, a mud crab on a 1/8 ounce S&S Skinner jig. Just like the blackfish jig, but smaller. And like I do blackfishing, when I put a whole crab on, I'm going to take pliers and just pinch the front, get the juices going. All right, now, ideally, if I could get like 2's meal, that would be just great. I would take 2. 76, 75 degree water isn't that the best, but let's see. Let's see. All right, you don't get instantaneous bites like you do blackfishing. This is a couple of minutes later. That feels like the right thing. And that feels like the right thing. Oh yeah. Oh. That is what I am looking for right there. 2 of those is nice dinner. Whoa. That is definitely over 18. And they are great fighters. Wow. Wow. Yep. Wow. Holy smokes. And I am going to bleed him out in the cooler. Look at the... So that is exactly what I'm looking for. That is perfect. All right. If I get one more of these, it doesn't have to be that big, then this trip is an absolute total success. I think he's probably legal, but no, he's definitely legal. But I'm gonna go for a better one. All right, no more bites, so I've made a little move. It never hit the bottom. Whoa, it's got a kick to it. Oh yeah, here's the good enough for dinner, considering how big the other one is. That thing never hit the bottom, never hit the bottom. Ah, here's a good size one too. You know, I keep thinking these guys are gonna just like come right up, and they don't. All right, perfect. And I'm going to bleed this guy before I move the cooler to the back, and off I go. All right, nice thing about this kayak is I can stand up and just cruise like I am now. You know, controlling it with the hand controller, and yeah, it's nice and quiet. Got the polarized glasses. I can see what's in there, and yeah, didn't see anything, so I just kept going, and that was that. So, all right, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and check out my online courses at saltstrong.com/Skinner.